In this video we're going to approach the 6-stroke roll. We're going to be doing it with doubles on our hands, both on just doubles that way, then also the approach of doing the Turkish split hand, where we go from index, index to a ring and a ring. Again, doing the 6-stroke roll. So starting with the traditional technique of just moving our wrist, not doing any split hand, we're going to play it slowly and go faster. So on the 6-stroke roll, we have our accents on the downbeat as well as on the of the beat. So it's going to go like this. So 1, E, and 2, E, and 3, E, and 4. And of course, as we continue to do this, we want to speed up. And of course you still want to work on starting on your non-dominant hand first as well. Now to approach it with the Turkish split hand technique. So counting out, so we got 1, E, and 2, E, and 3, E, and 4, E, and 1. So it adds a really nice fill for be it your solo or even just during a rhythm, you know. So that's a nice little exercise on how to use the 6-stroke roll on the Egyptian tabla, and also recognized as the Middle Eastern like Darbuka.